Demonstrate definition, demonstrate in a sentence, demonstrate pronunciation, demonstrate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of demonstrate. Demonstrate. De-mon-strate. Demonstrate. Demonstrate as a verb means to give a practical display and an explanation of how something works. Common usages in academic writing: demonstrate competency. The example demonstrates. Step-by-step demonstration. Example sentences: demonstrate, verb. The professor will demonstrate the experiment in front of the class. Example sentence number 2. The above example demonstrates the reliability of this new technology. The common academic writing variation is demonstration, noun. Participants received a step-by-step demonstration before starting the task on their own. Please write a sentence using demonstrate in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know demonstrates pronunciation, demonstrates meaning, and how to use demonstrate in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.